Congratulations for this victory, wire to wire. Your team led by as much as 41 points. So, paano nyo pinagandaan ng FEU, especially they came up on an expiring win the last time out?
Yeah, I told the girls that it was a very good game of FEU against UP. We need to prepare for them because that's the best game of the season for FEU. And we prepared the game plan and nasunod naman ng buong team and we're happy for the win.
Thank you. To career, you had 21 points, 4 rebounds, and plus 24. So yun nga, ang ganda yung naging, nasunod naman yung game plan nyo against FEU, especially guys sa magandang panalo. So, eto, moving forward, ano yung kailangan gawin ninyo para masustain nyo yung impressive brand ninyo dito?
Siyempre, stick na sa sistema ni Coach. Yun nga sinasabi ni Coach na kahit sino yung makalaban namin, kailangan ready kami. And sa sistema namin, yan, kailangan lang namin sundin para mas maganda yung iyon ng mga namin.
Ayun, gano'n na kayo.
Tama na! Gabi na!
Sige. Okay, so Coach, looking forward to yung mga last two games.
So, we'll be going against Adamson on Saturday. Gabi na naman, kahit na naman uli magiging. And then on Wednesday, against UP.
So, yun nga, yung last, ano ito, medyo, yun nga, malapit na tayo matapos ng first round. Okay.
Of course, one game at a time pa rin. So, we have, one day, kasi bukas ang hirap mag-ensayo dahil gabi na. So, we have to prepare for Adamson muna. And of course, may mga Gilas players doon, sila Etang, sila Apag. So, we have to prepare for them on Saturday.
And to Kaliro, yung last two games before we wrap up. Okay, say, last question na to.
Last two games.
Ano yung mindset?
Mindset mo, last two games.
Focus lang sa defense. Kasi sumasakit na yung ulo ni Coach.
Okay, good night everyone!